Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's chapter, we will see what is the tasks and the streams in Snowflake. In previous chapter 4, we have seen the storage layer, cloud layer and the compute layer. Now we'll discuss more about these streams and tasks here. So let's understand what is the tasks and what is the use of that. So tasks is the schedule process that run the SQL statement automatically and enabling the automation of data loading, transformation and other operations. With single tasks, you can perform a simple to complex function in your data pipeline. So there are three diagrams here. So let's understand one by one. So in first diagram, the root task prompts the tasks B and C to run the simultaneously. The task D This task D is run when both the tasks B and C have completed their runs. In second diagram, you can see the blue color, it is showing the dimension table and red color is showing the fact table. So it shows how the task graph to update the dimension tables before the database aggregating the fact data. Okay, and in the third diagram, this example is shows that is calling the external function to prompt a remote messaging service to send the notification that the previous tasks have run successfully. So this is nothing about nothing but the task. I will show you more on demo. Now talk about the streams. A stream in Snowflake track changes, insert, update and delete to the table, and it is providing a way to access the data that has changed since last time the stream was queried. When created, a stream logically take an initial snapshot of every row in the source object. For example, table, external table, by initializing a point in time that is called offset as the current transactional version of the object. Stream itself does not contain any table data. Make a note on it that stream itself does not contain any table data. Stream only store an offset for a source object and return CDC record. When the first stream for a table is created, several hidden columns are added to the source table and been storing change tracking the metadata. So streams can be created to query change data on the following objects, that is the directory, dynamic tables, event table and external tables. And if we talk about the stream columns, it will be added to the existing table, that is the metadata action, metadata update and metadata row. So you can check here the diagram that this is the change data capture data flow. You can see the table here in column 1 and 2. So here is the value, here is the name, that is a attribute apple, and this is the value 5. So you can see here three columns are automatically generated, that is the metadata action, metadata update and metadata row ID, which is unique. So you can see the first record is inserted, then it is showing action is taken as an insert, and there is no update, so it is showing false. Second time apple is repeated, so it is showing the insert for the new value and delete for the previous old value. And you can see for the orange and banana it is showing inserted. Same for the banana 3, it is the old value, so it is deleted. So in the black color it is showing insert, in the red color it is showing delete, and in the blue color it is showing updated records. I hope this is clear. Now we'll see the demo. So I have logged into the console page of the Snowflake. So I have created here one demo task table with the username and date column. Let's create this table. Okay, you can see demo task is successfully created. We will create one more table, that is demo record. I will show you why we are creating this. So you can see there is only column username and date. Now we will understand that how we are creating the tags using the normal method and the cron expression. So there are two ways in this Snowflake we can create the tags, that is by using the standard method and by using the cron expression. This is the interview question, guys. So let's understand. First we will create using the normal method. So this is the format. Like we have a create or replace task name. Then we will provide the warehouse here. Schedule 1 minute. I am scheduling here 1 minute. You can schedule as per your requirement. As insert into demo record values, I am passing the values ABC and current timestamp for this table. You can see there is no record. Now let me run this task. You can see task demo is created. Now if you want to show the task, then you can use show command, show task. Let me execute. You can see it is showing the demo task 1, ID, database, in which database it is created. So SF demo test, schema name is test. Owner is account admin, you can see here. Data warehouse is compute WH. I have scheduled for the 1 minute, so it is showing me 1 minute. Predecessor means if there is any dependency. So as of now there is no any dependency. State, you can see here suspend. It is always showing you the suspended in state whenever you are creating any task. So you have to resume that task by using alter command. We will resume this. You can see statement executed successfully. Let me check. Now you can see the state. It is showing started. So we have to at least wait for the 1 minute because I have provided 1 minute time here. After 1 minute it will show the record in our table. See, there is no record 8. So meanwhile I will tell you regarding suspend. So we can resume and suspend like this. So let's talk about the cron expression here, how we can, this is the second method we can create the task. So create or replace task name, warehouse we have provided using cron. We can provided this format, Asia Kolkata, remaining as it is, like as insert into demo task values ABC timestamp. So you can see now one record is inserted here. Okay. So whenever you are not updating anything, it will keep inserting the record. Like after each 1 minute, it will inserting the record. So again you have to suspend that task. Then only it will stop to insert the records in that task. So let me show you one more time. We will wait for few seconds. So you can see now second time it is inserted. So it will keep inserted because we have make it started. Now we will suspend it. Now it will not add any record. You can see we have suspended. Okay. Now we have created the cron tab here. Or not cron, we have created the tags by using the cron expression. So let's see, you can see cron data cron is created. Let me see. Let me execute this first. So it is created. Now we click on show task. So you can see first task is demo, second one is load data cron. Again this task is scheduled for this time. Okay, you can check this time on Google. This is in suspended state. So we will resume this task. Alter task name, resume. So you can see it is started. It is started state and it is suspended state. So after a few minutes it will insert the record into the demo task, because we have provided the demo task here, means this table. You can see there is no record, but after few seconds it will insert the record. This is about the cron expression. So in this way you can create the tasks by using two methods. Now we will talk about the dependency of the tasks. Like you can create the multiple tasks. We can also call that is the chain, task chain. So I have created here task 1 and task 2. If you see, once if you suspended task 1, then only task 2 will be executed. Otherwise it will throw the error. So let's see. So I have created here one table, store stage, from Snowflake sample data, that is store cells, and same I have created the dimension stage table. So you can see in task 1 I have created root task. Okay, let me execute this. Okay, root cause is created. Now you can see third task is our root task, that is in suspended. For resume again you have to use the alter command. After that we will create the task 2. So you can see task 2 is also created and both are in the suspended state. So you can see, let me resume for task. So it is showing me started. Okay. Okay, let me resume this load data cron also, suspend. Now we can see if we are trying to resume this task 2, it will throw the error. See, unable to update graph with root task, since that root task is not suspended. It is in started states, that why we are unable to run this task 2. So what we have to do here? First we have to suspend this root task. Let me suspend. You can see root task is in suspended state. Now we will try to execute this task too. So you can see task 2 successfully created. So this is also the interview question, like task 2 is succeeded if the task 1 it is in started state. The answer is no. Once you suspend the task 1, then only task 2 will be started. So this is nothing about the task and stream. So let's talk about the interview question on this topic. So first question is like, can we stream track change in view or materialized view in Snowflake? So answer is no. Stream can only be created on tables, not on views or materialized view. Stream rely on underlying table metadata and table history to track changes, and since view are virtual table that do not store data directly, they cannot be used with the streams. Second question, what are the different types of streams in Snowflake? So there are two types, standard streams and append only streams. So in the standard streams, it tracks the row level changes to the table, and append only stream is capture only inserted rows. Third question is, what happens when a table with an associate stream is cloned in Snowflake? So answer is, when a table with an associate stream is cloned, the stream itself is not cloned. A stream track changes based on the table history. So if the new stream needs to be created for the clone table, if you want to track the change in the clone version. Fourth question, what is the task chain in Snowflake and how is it created? So we already seen in the demo. A task chain is a sequence of tasks where each task depends on the completion of the previous one. You create a task chain by specifying after clause when creating the dependent task. What are the key features of tasks in Snowflake? So that is the run on the defined schedule or the after another task. Use cron expression for scheduling. Then support error handling and task retry options. These are the key features of the tasks. So guys, if you feel this video is informative, please like, comment and share my video. Thank you.